Solving vertex of parabola. By completing the squares. Given equation y equals x squared minus 8x plus 15. The x term coefficient here is negative 8. Make it half and square the result. So negative 8 divided by 2 equals negative 4. Negative 4 squared equals 16. Add and subtract the result after the x term and take the first three terms to make a perfect square trinomial and express this as a square of binomial by taking the square root of x squared, which is x, the sign of the middle term minus, and the square root of 16, which is 4, and square it. Then combine the last two terms. Negative 16 plus 15 equals negative 1. So this is now the vertex form. This is the h and this is the k. The opposite of negative 4 is positive 4, and copy the value of k, which is negative 1. So the vertex is the quantity of 4, comma, negative 1. Using formula, h equals negative b over 2a. K equals 4ac minus b squared over 4a. Same given equation. The value of a here is 1. Value of b is negative 8. Value of c is positive 15. So these are the formulas. Let's plug in the values. What is b? Negative 8. What is a? Positive 1. So we have h equals negative times negative 8 over 2 times 1. So times negative 8 is positive 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 8 over 2. H equals positive 4. And then here, the value of A is 1. C is 15. B is negative 8. A is 1. Let's plug in. K equals 4 times 1 times 15 minus the quantity of negative 8 squared over 4 times 1. So 4 times 1 times 15 is 60. Negative 8 times negative 8 equals 64. So 60 minus 64 equals negative 4 over 4. So negative 4 over 4, the value of k is negative 1. So the vertex is the quantity of 4, comma, negative 1. So this is the h and this is the k. Formula, h equals negative b over 2a. K equals negative d over 4a. So what is d? D is the discriminant. The formula of d equals b squared minus 4ac. So the discriminant tells us whether there are two solutions, one solution, or no solutions. So if d is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. If d equals 0, the roots are real and equal. If d is less than 0, the roots are not real and that is complex solution. Same given equation, and these are the values of A, B, and C. Just plug in these values in these formulas. So H, what is B? Negative 8. A is positive 1. So H equals negative times negative 8 over 2 times 1. So negative times negative 8 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. So 8 over 2, the value of H equals 4. Then dito, unahin ko muna yung solve ang discriminant or yung D. So D equals B squared minus 4AC. What is B? Negative 8. A, positive 1, C, 15. So we have negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 15. Negative 8 squared is 64. 4 times 1 times 15 equals 60. 64 minus 60 equals 4. So the discriminant is equal to 4. Then substitute this value in this formula. So what is D? 4. What is A? 1. So K equals negative 4 over 4 times 1. Negative 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So negative 4 over 4 is negative 1. So the value of K here is negative 1. So ang advantage nito, makikita ko agad kung ilang solution ang meron sa quadratic equation. Kung ito ba ay dalawa, or walang solution, or one solution. Ayan. Discriminant tells how many solutions in the quadratic equation. So the vertex is the quantity of 4 comma negative 1. So this is the H and this is the K. So dito, pwede naman diretso na yung formula ng discriminant. Ito yan, B squared minus 4AC. Ayan. K equals negative B squared minus 4AC over 4A. So what is B? Negative 8, A1, C 15, A positive 1. Just plug in. Negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 15 over 4A. 4 times 1. So 8 squared, 64. 4 times 1 times 15, 60. So 64 minus 60 equals 4 over 4. So negative 4 over 4 equals negative 1. This is the value of K. So the vertex is the quantity of 4 comma negative 1. So this is the H and this is the K. Formula. H equals negative B over 2A. K equals function of H. Same given problem. It's the value of A, B, and C. Substitute this in this formula. So we have the H equals to 4. So H is also the X value. So substitute H equals 4 in this formula. K equals function of H. This value of H or 4 you substitute in this equation. The value of X here. So we have K equals the function of h equals 4 squared minus 8 times 4 plus 15. So 4 squared equals 16. 8 times 4 is 32 plus 15. 16 minus 32 plus 15. So 31 minus 32. So the value of k equals -1. So the vertex is the quantity of 4, comma, -1. This is the h and this is the k.